Hi, superstars! It's another palm oil week. You are welcome. Okay, so in this video, I'll be giving you updates on palm oil business in Nigeria and palm oil storage business in Nigeria. I'll be sharing with you the latest trends, including the price of jerrycans in Akwaibom State to you and the price of palm oil as at today in Akwaibom State to you. And hey, my superstars, I have great news which I'll be sharing in the course of this video. So stay with me. All right, my superstars, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. All right, and I will get right back to you. And before we get started, please give me a thumbs up. All right, let's get started. Okay, so first let's start with jerry cans. Oil jerry cans some weeks ago were scarce, and though I've not visited this week to see how it is in the market, but as at the last time I checked, the price of new jerrycans in the market had increased back to 5,200 naira. I don't know about today because it's a new week. I've not been to where I get jerrycans from. All right, so jerrycans as of today for 25 liters, the yellow ones is 5,200 naira in Akwaibom State, Uyo for new jerrycans. For a while now, I've not seen old jerrycans. It's a bit scarce. Okay, and should I say I'll also notify those who asked me about used jerrycans. Okay, and for older jerrycans, as in those older groundnut oil jerrycans that they had just poured out groundnut oil from, those ones were even more expensive, my superstars. There was one I saw, they told me 6,000 naira. Okay, it is more expensive than the new jerrycans. I wonder why. Okay, but whatever happens, I can get jerrycans for you at 5,200 naira with then you buy your palm oil. I don't sell empty jerry cans, my superstars. All right. Next, we'll be talking about palm oil. But before we do, some time ago I asked if you would love to have a Akwaibom palm oil in 10 liters and 5 liters, because there are so many people who actually yearn to have a taste of our palm oil, but they can't consume 25 liters. So I came up with the thought that if you would love it, I could get it for palm oil in 10 liters, 5 liters, or any liters of your choice, and then send it to your location. All right, but in order to get this started, I would love to have a vote of people who are interested. All right, so let me know in the comment section if you'd love to have a taste of our Akwaibom delicious palm oil in 10 liters. Please write it in the comment section. If you want it in 5 liters, please write it in the comment section. Okay, or you could send me a DM. All right, and then this will enable me know the number of people who are interested before I swing into action. All right, okay, so let's get into palm oil. Palm oil in Akwaibom State, as at last week, had increased gradually till it got to 55,000 naira. And this got a lot of people thinking that it was going to keep going, but it paused for a while. And I have great news. As at today, palm oil has dropped to 54,000 naira. Okay, it has reduced to 54,000 naira. I don't know if it's going to reduce more or if it is going to increase more, but this is a window for those who have not stored their palm oil. If you made plans to store palm oil and you're waiting for it to reduce to the 30s or 20s, it is not going to happen again this year, my superstars. It is going to keep increasing and increasing after now. So this window is for those who have plans to store but we're skeptical. If you have plans to store, now would be a good time to buy palm oil and store. Okay, so if you need help with getting delicious freshly milled palm oil from Akwaibom State, you can always reach out to me and then I'll help you get started. For those who have issues with reaching out to me, you can send me a DM via 070-444-81914, or you can send me an email via idzillion@gmail.com, and then we'll get started. Right? Okay, so palm oil has reduced from 55,000 naira to 54,000 naira. Like I said, I don't know if it's going to go down more or if it's going to increase. If it goes down more, I'll come out here and notify you. And if it increases, I'll also come out here and notify you, because that's my job. All right. Okay. So empty jerrycans is 5,200 naira, and logistics depends on your location, right, and your mode of transportation. Okay, my superstars, have you liked this video? Please give me a thumbs up, hit the like button. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever there's a new video. Thank you for watching, my superstars. I appreciate every one of you. Don't forget to leave a question if you have one in the comment section, and I'll get right back to you. Thank you. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.